You know that feeling when you walk into a space and instantly think, yeah, this is it? Not because it's over the top, but because everything feels thought through: the lighting, the flow, the comfort. Well, what if someone took that exact feeling and built it into a travel trailer? That's what Brinkley just did. This is the Brinkley Model I 280 prototype, a design that doesn't just redefine luxury, it reimagines it. This isn't a concept. It's a glimpse at where modern RV living is heading: sleek, bold, and emotionally designed. From the moment you walk around it, the 280 feels different. The stance is confident, wide, balanced, and perfectly proportioned. Up front, that signature Brinkley front cap with sculpted body lines and automotive-grade paint commands attention. Frameless tinted windows, gloss black trim, and LED lighting that runs clean and modern, this trailer looks more like a high-end SUV than an RV. Down below, Goodyear Endurance tires sit on stylish aluminum wheels. The underbelly is fully enclosed and heated. And the suspension feels built for real-world roads. Open the pass-through storage and you'll see what Brinkley is known for: clean finish, motion lighting, and even power outlets for gear or e-bikes. And the campsite side? You've got dual power awnings stretching almost the entire length. With LED lighting, marine speakers, and a solid entry door that closes with that luxury car sound. Every square inch of this exterior screams precision. Step inside, and the world outside disappears. This isn't a floor plan borrowed from anyone else, it's an original prototype. The living area opens wide, bright, airy, and beautifully balanced. Soft neutral tones, matte finishes, and warm LED lighting make it feel like a modern studio apartment on wheels. A large trifold sofa sits under panoramic windows. Perfect for morning coffee with a view. Across from it, cinema-style recliners with heat, massage, and USB ports. The angle? Perfect, straight toward the entertainment center. There, you'll find a 50-inch smart TV, a clean fireplace setup, and hidden storage behind panels. Now, the kitchen. This is where Brinkley flexes. Wraparound solid surface counters, a deep farmhouse sink, a premium faucet, and drawers that close with a whisper. You get a 12-volt compressor fridge, a glass-top 3-burner range, and a convection microwave, everything trimmed with that soft glow accent lighting. Every corner, every handle feels designed by someone who's actually lived in one. Walk forward, and the vibe softens. It feels like stepping into a boutique hotel. The bedroom features a full queen bed with a real mattress, dual nightstands with wireless charging, and a massive front wardrobe with motion-sensing lights. Under the bed, organized storage with lift-assist struts. It's quiet, too. Between Brinkley's insulation and the window design, you can hear the difference. It's calm, peaceful, and private. Now, the bathroom: a full residential shower with glass doors and a skylight, a solid vanity with usable drawers, and a porcelain toilet that actually feels sturdy. Even small touches: towel racks, backlit mirrors, soft-touch switches, they all tell you this space was built with real travel in mind. Underneath, it's pure Brinkley engineering. The Model I 280 rides on a custom chassis with upgraded suspension and electronic sway control. It tows confidently and handles road chatter like a champ. Power setup? You've got roof-mounted solar, a 2000-watt inverter, and a 50-amp service ready for shore power or off-grid use. The Smart Command Center ties everything together: lights, slides, awnings, and tank levels, all controllable from your phone. It's a real blend of tech and craftsmanship, where convenience doesn't come at the cost of character. So what makes the Model I 280 so special? It's not the size. It's not the flash. It's the intent. Brinkley is blurring the line between high-end fifth wheels and compact luxury trailers, giving you the best of both worlds. Lightweight, easy to tow, yet refined enough to call home for months at a time. This prototype is proof that premium doesn't have to mean oversized, it just has to be well thought out. So, what do you think? Is the Brinkley Model I 280 the future of modern RV luxury? Or is it just the beginning of a whole new design language? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know which feature caught your eye first. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, give it a like. Hit subscribe for more exclusive first looks. And join us next time as we uncover more RVs, that make life on the road feel like life at home. Because this isn't just a travel trailer. It's next level living, reimagined.